She knows who's referenced.
I am Fiona Jackson.
Okay, when you're ready.
What are you doing? Maybe if you'd been around a bit more. You have no idea what your career does this family. I'm sorry, you've been through a lot. This isn't just about you anymore. You expect me to be there for you? Where were you? When he came creeping into my room. When he raped me. You were away somewhere. I remember you brought back a fan to say sorry for missing my birthday. A fan! He forced my legs open, held his body over mine. The pain shot through my whole body.
Okay, thank you. That's brilliant.
I don't know where to look, please.
No, it's hard.